Fang, we purchased the 190 calls at $1.40. Actually, we also paid a week ago 45 cents. We're bullish. We featured it. We like Diamond Offshore. Let me go ahead and pull up the chart so that people can understand the move. We purchased this right back over here. It's always been one of the best rallies, just like that rally. Then it pulls back and we buy the dip and we make a new high. Buy now, pay later program. Go and click on the tab or call me at 503-753-0063. This is our favorite play in Diamond Energy, in the energy complex, and we can see that we broke the highs right here. And that rally continues to go. So once again, I'm telling you, you have a chance to get invested. Don't let these investments pass you by. Listen, you don't have to have a bank account. You don't have to have a brokerage account. You don't have to have any of that. We'll put you in the trade right now, and you can get the glory out of it.